How to use Smartsheet collaboration platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and project management platform, but most beginners miss key features that can cost time and productivity. You won't believe what happens next when you misuse it, but getting it right can completely transform team workflows. One common mistake is treating Smartsheet like a basic spreadsheet. While it looks like Excel, it's much more than that. Beginners often fail to use project sheets, Gantt charts, and automated workflows. Leveraging these features allows you to track progress visually, assign responsibilities, and keep teams aligned effortlessly. Another error is not setting up automated alerts and reminders. Smartsheet lets you trigger notifications for due dates, status changes, or approvals. Beginners who skip automation risk missed deadlines and slow project delivery. For instance, a weekly automated status reminder ensures everyone updates the tasks on time without constant manual follow-ups. Collaboration mistakes are also common. Smartsheet allows commenting, attaching files, and sharing sheets with different permission levels. Beginners often rely on external tools like email for communication, which creates scattered information. Keeping discussions within Smartsheet ensures a single source of truth for all project updates. Reporting is another area where users go wrong. Smartsheet dashboards give real-time insights into project progress, team workload, and budget tracking. Beginners who ignore these reports lose visibility, making it harder to spot bottlenecks or resource gaps. Regular review of dashboards ensures better planning and decision-making. Finally, neglecting integrations is costly. Smartsheet connects with tools like Slack, Jira, and Google Workspace. Not using these integrations leads to duplicated work and fragmented workflows. Linking your key tools creates a seamless, efficient environment that enhances productivity. To use Smartsheet properly, treat it as a robust project platform, automate alerts, centralize collaboration, monitor dashboards, and integrate key systems. Avoiding these beginner mistakes ensures Smartsheet delivers maximum efficiency, team alignment, and successful project outcomes.